Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the phone and opening settings right away. This avoids detours. Once done, make sure you know the screen lock PIN or fingerprint because Vivo protects hidden apps. Tap the search icon and type Hide or Privacy to jump straight to the right menu. This saves time versus navigating each submenu. You want to get to Security or Home Screen Settings. Knowing the lock method explains why Vivo requires authentication before revealing hidden apps. Now you navigate to Security and Privacy or the Home Screen Settings because different FunTouch OS versions move the option. Tap App Encryption, Hide Apps, or Private Safe, whichever appears. You must authenticate, enter your PIN, or use your fingerprint. After unlocking, the hidden app list appears or a toggle will let you view hidden items. Scroll to find the app names because Vivo stores them in a secure list rather than the normal drawer, which is why they stay invisible until unlocked. Finally, unhide apps by turning off the hide toggle or removing each app from the hidden list. Once removed, they return to the home screen or app drawer. If an app still doesn't appear, reboot the phone and verify the default launcher settings since custom launchers can hide icons. If you forgot the lock, try Vivo Account Recovery or Backup and Factory Reset as last resort. Remember, authentication protects privacy. That's why these extra steps are required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.